today to do a little, not tutorial, but just a show and tell on this new instant up and down by Sensationnel. I actually purchased this from my beauty supply store, and I went there not looking to buy this, but I've seen so many videos on it. I was really curious to see what it would look like on me. And the style that I purchased is UD6, and I purchased it in a number 2. And so basically what this is like an instant up and down style. You can wear it 4 different ways. The card here shows how it has it in an up and down style right here. And then it looks like you can also do a ponytail, and you can also wear it like as a half wig behind your hairline. But I went ahead and wore it as a half up and half down. And I think I paid like $34 plus tax on it. So I think sometimes you can find it online for like $30, but I mean, it's still pretty affordable for all of the different options that you can get wearing this style. So it was really quick and easy when I put it on. Actually, all I did was I just put my natural hair in a little bitty top knot. I braided up my hair and wrapped it around. And then I just put this little piece on here, and it comes with like a little comb that you just stick right up in your own hair, and a little elastic band with hair on it. And you just like wrap it around until it covers the bottom of the ponytail, and then you secure it with a couple of bobby pins. So that's what I did there. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a bobby pin right there. So this is really, really cute. I really like it a lot. It took like less than 5 minutes to put this on. And I am 5 feet tall, so it comes pretty far down on my my body here. I'm just gonna turn around so you can see the whole look. But yeah, girl, this is so cute. So like if you're looking for something that's like really quick and easy, and you're tired of looking basic at home or whatever, and you want to look cute just for a little bit, because I know we're on lockdown, and yeah, times are really hard. So this is a style that you can put together real quick and it make you feel good. I definitely recommend you guys checking this out. I will put a couple of links below where you can find this online if you can't find it inside your beauty supply store. Also, real quick, what I also did, because it was kind of shiny and my hair is natural and I have 4C hair, I sprayed the ponytail and then this half wig section in the back with some of my my freeze spray, and that kind of took some of the shine out, because I don't have any powder and I don't have any dry shampoo to kind of make it look a little bit more natural. But yeah, so this is it. Also, real quick, this back portion has, I think, 2 combs right here at the top, and then there's 2 combs at the bottom with a drawstring, and you just stick it on in the front up here, and then you stick it on at the top at the bottom. You pull your string, and that's it. So yeah, do I recommend this? Absolutely. If you want to get something that's quick and easy, I definitely recommend you guys checking out this particular unit. Please let me know if you like this unit in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I thank you guys so much for watching. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.